Countrywide is the largest estate agency and property services group in the UK, operating some of the best known names on the high street. We've got over 7,000 staff, and it's critical that we have a reliable and speedy data network to enable them to do their jobs. We're already the largest estate agent and mortgage intermediary in the UK, but of course we don't stand still. And the phenomenal growth that we've seen in our lettings business has been fantastic, but there's more to come. And in order to facilitate that growth, we need to make sure that we've got a rock solid platform for the future. And that's what we've established working with Virgin Media Business. So that platform's now in place, helping us to help every customer every step of the way.
We had IT departments spread out throughout the different businesses who all worked separately. We chose Virgin Media Business because we consider them to provide the best service available out in the market for our requirements, and they provided the most cost-effective proposal across all the infrastructure. We were looking to bring the group companies together from an IT perspective to provide a professional data centre environment and a single network that would support the whole business, i.e. all businesses would be able to communicate with each other. Each branch would have their own admin function. This was the delivery of the new data network allowed us to set up separate admin centres across the country and therefore reduce the overhead to the business. Previously, when we had more of a distributed approach to our network and our IT systems, we would have to travel to a lot of branches. We wouldn't be able to actually access information remotely. With the new data network now in place, we're actually able to access every PC, every laptop, every user device remotely to provide support to them.
From the point of view of a customer walking into one of our estate agency branches to sell their house, we can make sure that we get that property advertised online in the shortest possible time.
So Dom, you said you want to buy...
What we've implemented is a business enabling infrastructure for the future, but of course we also need to understand the savings that we've made so far, which are circa £1 million. The important thing to say though is that we've got a scalable infrastructure that opens up possibilities for further business change and innovation which can deliver incremental benefits, and we know that there are projects underway that will bring at least an additional £3 million in value. And with our new infrastructure in place, we know that we can add additional branches to our network at a known cost in a very scalable fashion. Well, IT underpins all of our business operations at Countrywide.
Previously, we used to do all surveys on a paper field sheet, and once the survey was completed, you would then dictate the survey via your mobile phone to a central typing pool. The next time you then got to see the survey was when you went back into the office, checked it on the office system, sourced your comparables from the office system as well. Once you were happy with that, you would then sign the report off. You would only go into the office once a day, and hopefully your report would be back before you left to go out and continue your afternoon work. The process of surveys has been speeded up. All the information that you need is now based on one central tablet PC. With a click of a button, we're now able to complete the survey on the same day that it's instructed, whereas before they could take sometimes up to 5 days.
Over the last 2 years, we've integrated over 1,000 office locations and all 5 of our business divisions into a single data network. Now, that's a big move, commensurate with our position as the largest property services company in the UK. But of course it doesn't end there. We're firmly convinced that that's a bedrock foundation for us to move the company on in the future.